Welcome to French Heartfelt Tales. Here you are learning French in easiest and most enjoyable way. Let's learn French together with love, with stories and simplicity. Subscribe now and start your heartfelt journey into French.
1. French, bonjour.
English, hello.
2. French, comment ça va?
English, how are you?
3. French, je m'appelle Marie.
English, my name is Maria.
4. French, j'ai 20 ans.
English, I am 20 years old.
5. French, j'aime le chocolat.
English, I like chocolate.
6. French, où est la gare?
English, where is the train station?
7. French, il fait chaud.
English, it is hot.
8. French, j'habite à Paris.
English, I live in Paris.
9. French, merci beaucoup.
English, thank you very much.
10. French, bonne nuit.
English, good night.
11. French, je suis étudiant.
English, I am a student.
12. French, tu parles anglais?
English, do you speak English?
13. French, je ne comprends pas.
English, I don't understand.
14. French, parlez lentement, s'il vous plaît.
English, please speak slowly.
15. French, quelle heure est-il?
English, what time is it?
16. French, je suis fatigué.
English, I am tired.
17. French, où sont les toilettes?
English, where is the bathroom?
18. French, c'est combien?
English, how much is it?
19. French, j'ai faim.
English, I am hungry.
20. French, j'ai soif.
English, I am thirsty.
21. French, merci.
English, thank you.